back to another video. Today we are back here in the ocean, floating with my car. That's dead. Okay. Anyway, guys. So, a crazy annoying intro, and we're stuck in the water. Do 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 ding ding dun 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 dun. Okay. So
Big E.
Big E.
Big E.
Alright, let's just alright, good. So so I can't believe I've missed like 5 updates. Ooh, ooh.
No, James. You've actually missed around 13 updates.
No, I haven't, because I did a video on update 14.
Oh.
Yeah,
I haven't played this game
that was when they released the new map. When we were like all about car cursors, Gavin, we were in update 9.
Yeah. And we still like casually played a little bit in update 13 and
Yeah. And then we kind of stopped update 14. Oh.
Yeah, we were like, it's kind of boring right now.
Yeah. Let's just yeah.
James, look at my Honda Civic.
Where are you?
Check out my Honda Civic that I have right here.
Where? Row 1, 2, 3, 4? 4. Is come. So row 1, row 2. Okay. Name me these.
My Honda Civic, James.
Wait, that's a Honda?
This is definitely not a McLaren Senna. It's definitely a cheap and inexpensive Honda Civic.
Yep. Oh. Did you see that? Oh.
Oops.
I'm just gonna, yeah.
Achoo.
Skirt. Oh, no.
Hurt.
Yeah, let's. Oh, hey, look, there's a tank over there. Let's go check it out. Hey there, tank. How you doing?
Hey.
Hey, how are you?
Right now?
Yes.
I got the car.
Ooh, sticky car.
Oh, shoot.
Whoops. Okay. Have a nice day, sir.
Yeah. I have a better car.
Anyone call the taxi? Do.
Oh, no, James. I'll show you the real.
The taxi is coming. Oh. Oh.
James.
Okay.
I
What?
have the real taxi.
Where?
It'll spawn in sometime soon. Do not look at my screen, please.
I'm not.
Okay. It's a surprise. The taxi is coming. Hello?
That's a Cybertruck.
I know, this is a taxi.
I see. Hello. My car's broke. So I'm just gonna...
Dude, I need to make it platinum again.
Platinum what?
Platinum Primo. No, I'm kidding. You guys,
well, you should
that's like a move up.
Yes.
So that's why I said it.
Yes, we're still in school.
Okay, James,
obviously.
I have a better taxi.
Mm-hmm.
As you can tell.
Where is it?
Nice.
Where's the
I'm
taxi?
chasing you.
Oh, hey, there's a taxi. Hey, make sure you don't sneeze, okay?
Get in the taxi.
Make sure you don't sneeze, all right?
Yeah, get in the taxi.
Okay.
Look, wait, let me sneeze outside. I have to sneeze.
Wait, no,
Let's
please.
shoot. Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh. Okay, that was close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, let's go. Whoa, dude, this thing looks cool. Why don't we do some stunts?
Oh yeah, dude. That's gonna be cool. Woo! Oh, be careful, taxi.
Taxi driver.
Eh.
Ha! Help!
Oh no.
Okay, here.
Go, go, go. Wee, this is fun. Oh.
I may have sneezed.
Well. Oh.
Whoops.
Oh wait, what? Did you? What the heck? Stand right here.
Goodbye.
What the heck? You guys are seeing this, right? Gavin, come over to my computer. Come over to my computer, dude. What in the heck is this?
What in heck? Wait, hold up. What the heck?
I know. It just.
Wait, what?
What?
Hold up. Okay.
Are you like too? Also like. Where are you? Oh! There's a giant death soccer ball. Whoa, is that you? Yeah, that's you. Hey, can you wait up? Make sure you don't sneeze, dude. Don't sneeze. Don't. Oh.
Oh, I don't like this car. Shoot! I sneezed on my car that I didn't like.
I was following the wrong guy this whole time.
I have a better looking car that looks like it came from a low poly game.
Oh,
James, I have the same car as you.
What in darnation was that? Please don't tell me I have to. Oh, this is stupid. That's stupid. Stupid. Guys, remember my last Welcome to Bloxburg video when I'm triggered? Yeah, I don't even have 20 Robux. Yeah. Let's just leave that unknown. Hint, hint. Okay, Gavin, where are you?
I'm in my sick car at a row 4.
Row 4. Okay, where are you now? It looks like you left.
I'm chasing you with the same exact car.
Oh, that's cool.
Hello, brother.
Hello, brother. Brother, follow me. Let's go, brother. Didn't. Oh, no. Brother, our cars are getting totaled. Yeah, my car might need some repairing.
Yeah.
Did you see it? Do you see the back end? Yeah, the right side.
Oops. James, I'm just gonna that little guy.
Oh,
his little car.
I just ran right into him.
But bro, his little car.
Yeah,
So
he's just like do. You just on the side of the road, kind of like just chilling. Okay, I barely have any doors now. Oh, and we have lost a wheel. I only has 3 wheels. And I'm not going. Oh!
James, I can't slow down
Help!
James? Here's my car on my screen. James, look.
Yeah, guys, we're just gonna have to,
Yeah, my car, now has a mouse.
Wait, let me see, where is it? Where's your car?
Row 1.
Row uno. Just follow me. I'm at row 2. I'm just gonna, oh!
My car now has a mouse.
Hey, guess what?
I will eat your car.
Wait.
Nom, nom, nom.
Wait. Okay, hold on. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna have to go over here. Alright, good. And now, okay, wait. Just stay at your sneezed car. I'm going. Okay, go. Fast. Come on, hurry up.
Wait, what?
No, not you.
Oh. James, we should do like that. We should see how fast we can go, and then let's just run into something.
Go. Hey, guess what? My car now has a mouth. Where are Yas?
I am on the Yas.
Whoa.
James, I have the flat car.
I was sliced open in half, basically, on my right. Oh.
James, I have a flat car.
Where?
Look it.
Where? Oh, wait. Is this
flat?
You? Nope,
James,
that's not you.
I think we're gonna run into each other.
Where are you?
I saw the little guy in his little car.
Where are you? Dude,
I'm driving on the road.
I can't find you. I'm still at spawn.
Oh, shoot. Oh, no! My car! My only transportation.
Oh, you can just buy another one. I mean, you are a trillionaire and all, so, Oh! Oof. Hey, taxi? Taxi, anyone? Anyone want a taxi?
James?
Yeah? What?
I may or may not need like $20 more billion.
Why?
To, 48 billion for the next vehicle. Money.
Oh,
you have a mouth too.
A mouth. Nom.
The car eats anything.
Dun.
James, imagine.
Are you loving this ride?
But then you have like a front.
Gavin, while you're in the menu, I'm giving you a ride. Okay, now you spawned out. Yes. Brother. Hey, brother.
You should turn collision on.
Okay. How?
Like, how do you do that?
I don't know.
Me neither.
Settings. Tokens, transfer, PvP. Vehicle access, friends. Music enabled. Hide hats, yes. Firehouse show. Speed unit. Invincibility. Disabled. I can't.
Achoo. Oops.
I can't find where to turn it on, but whatever. Where are you? Oh, I see you. Is come. Wait, dude. Wait, stop. Let's go on an adventure. I'm hopping in your car.
Okay.
Woo, let's go, buddy.
Because this car is actually faster.
My old car that had a mouse. Hello, new car that doesn't have a mouth, unfortunately. Screech! Careful, buddy. My door's odd. Careful, buddy. Careful there. Careful, sonny. Careful. Whoa there, sonny. Whoa there.
Oops. Bye.
Okay. Where are you?
James, you just see a tank. No, James, look at this.
Hold on. Wait, where are you? Stay in the fire. Hey there. Hop in my car, please. Alright. Hop in my car, please. I'm a taxi. Hop in. Hop in, Mr. Tank.
Achoo. Oh, sorry, I had to sneeze.
Oh, no.
I had to sneeze.
I'm coming back. I'm sorry. I was not prepared for... Where did you just...
No.
What was that?
I didn't know.
Oh. Bye.
Oh.
No.
Throw my tank buddy.
You're supposed to go away.
Leave. Bye.
Thank you for going away.
I chewed on my car again.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I'm coming to your achoo. Achoo! Oh. Well, my car has a mouth now, dude. Look at my car. It has a mouth. Dude, my car has a mouth.
I'm waiting for this.
My car has a mouth, dude. My car has a mouth. Look, my car has a mouth, dude.
More like your car is a sunroof. Like a full sunroof.
Why do you keep sneezing?
Is
there? Do you have allergies to metal? Do you have allergies to metal?
No, I get money when I sneeze on cars.
Oh. Yeah, I think I'd best be going. You're not breaking my car. No one is.
IDKY though.
Dude, Okay. Well, don't know what happened there, guys.
Achoo.
Yeah, I do not know what happened there.
You do not know.
Hey, Gavin, come meet me at my car, okay? Okay, dude. Alright, come on, dude. You come in here? Alright, guys. Well, that's it for this video. So, yeah. Make sure... Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later.
Yeah, bye. Bye, guys.
Wow.